Today I will talk about how can you enable light mode on your Meitu app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Meitu app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, we just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on dark mode here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on normal here, just click on it. Then automatically here when you go back, just go back here and you go again. So then it's going to change with you to light mode like you see down here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.